We're right here just skating. We're bored. Oh, look at that. Try it again. Hey, who is that over there? Hey. Hey, who's that guy over there standing over there and shit? Should we fucking...
Look at him, man. He's looking at his hand on what that kid did.
Huh. Yeah, look at that rapist.
Oh, not me.
Oh, he's been... How I should say? The fuck, where'd that guy go?
What guy? There's a guy right there?
Yeah. What? I don't know, he was standing right there, but he's gone.
He's tripping out.
What the fuck? Hey! That guy right there, he's fucking appeared out of nowhere.
Oh, leave him alone.
He's a fucking bum. Go, try to do it again. What the fuck? Hey, that guy appeared over there and shit. That was tripping me out.
What do you want to do about it?
Huh?
What do you want to do about it?
Hey shit, hey shit.
Put it in his face.
Fuck your life. Hey, that guy's tripping me out though.
What do you want to do?
Hey, I don't know. What you want to do?
My hip hurts like shit. Damn, I always have to.
Hey, go fucking go punk him. I dare you.
Nah, that's fucked up. Land on your head. He's a bum fool. He has no life.
Who cares?
You got no life, bitch.
He's just fucking staring at us, dog. What if he's a rapist and Daniel gets raped? Look, he's already bending over.
I think it's kind of cute though.
Hey,
it's not gay unless you kiss. You said it before.
It's not gay unless you kiss. Alright.
If you look straight in the eye,
Huh, if you look straight. Okay, no, but go. I don't know. Hey, but look, he literally. Okay, well, he's acting gay because he's staring at us. Go. There you go, punk him. You're not down, fool. Fool, he likes you though. Huh. Look at that gangster. He's gonna get his ass whooped. He's gonna get his ass whooped by a fucking bum. Oh, he's not. Oh, what the? Ha! Look, you sucked up.
Oh crap! He has a gun.
Fucking gun. Oh fuck!
Gun, man.
No, hey. Oh shit! Fuck, hell no, we have to go back, fool. That's fucked up. He just fucking killed you, Ulysses. Oh shit, he's right there.
So crap.
Oh fuck.
That, dude.
Oh fuck, he's gone. What the fuck?
Well, I'm getting out of here, dog. That's just.
Nah, we have to go fucking get Ulysses.
Fuck him, dude. He's dead.
What do you mean? He's laying on the fucking floor. What if he's still alive?
Exactly. If he's laying on the floor, he's gotta be dead.
Sleeping.